Does managing assets in your organization demand more and more time, labor force, and money? Wouldn't it be a relief if there was a better way to do enterprise asset management so you could be more efficient and reduce errors and delays? Well, we have good news for you. We at Tigernix have the perfect solution for your situation, TigernixEAM. Taking the hassle out of your enterprise asset management process, TigernixEAM will help you have better control over your processes with the power of digitalization. It will help you keep track of your assets effectively while updating and notifying you of asset defects, malfunctions, performance lags, repairs, and maintenance requirements. That's not it. The system comes with a gourmet of features including asset failure predictive analytics, asset performance management, asset defects management, asset failure modeling, asset failure machine learning, asset decay matrix, and much more, so you can manage all your assets management operations from a single platform. Call us now on 656-760-6647 or reach Tigernix via info@tigernix.com for more information. Tigernix, your enterprise software solution provider.